Greetings and welcome to lecture number 15 on unit number 5, part 2, external flow. This session we are going to discuss the numerical on boundary layer thicknesses. Boundary layer thicknesses are mainly classified into three: displacement thickness, then momentum thickness, and energy thickness, which is denoted by delta star for displacement thickness, theta for momentum thickness, and delta E for energy thickness. So these are the expressions that we already derived in earlier lectures that using the principles. So displacement thickness, it is given by integral, and the limits of the integration is 0 to delta. And all the expressions are in terms of velocity profile, non-dimensional velocity profile. Is in order to calculate these thicknesses, if we know the velocity profiles, we can calculate all these thicknesses. All these thicknesses are nothing but because these are the losses, in fact, if the boundary layer formation taking place on the surface. So there is a reduction of mass flow rate. So that reduction of mass flow rate, that is reflected in displacement thickness. As there is a reduction in mass flow rate, there is because mass flow rate is also related with the momentum. So consequently, there is a reduction of momentum as well as energy. Energy means kinetic energy. So all these parameters are related with the mass flow rate. So respective thicknesses describe the respective losses. Like displacement thickness describe loss in mass flow rate. Momentum thickness describe loss in momentum. Energy thickness describes loss of moment energy. Uh, we'll take one numerical, that is calculate for the following. So here the velocity profile is given. So from this velocity profile, we can easily describe which type of flow, because it varies. This is a power law. So this is a velocity profile for turbulent flow. Now for this velocity profile, we have to calculate these thicknesses: displacement, momentum, energy, shape factor, as well as energy loss due to boundary layer. If at a particular section boundary layer thickness is given, that is delta is given at 25 mm, and the free stream velocity, that is capital U, is given, that is 15 meter per second, and density is also given, that is 1 kg per meter. So first of all, we'll calculate displacement thickness. Straight away we can write the expression of delta star, put the value of U by U in terms of Y by delta, integrate this expression, integrate this, and putting the limits, we get displacement thickness delta star, that is equal to delta by delta. Similarly, momentum thickness theta, that is equal to integral 0 to delta U by U in bracket 1 minus U by U dy. Again, put the values of U by U in terms of Y by delta and integrate it. After integration and putting the limits, you can get this thickness, that is called as a momentum thickness. Similarly, write the expression of delta E, that is energy thickness. Only small changes are there in expressions. Uh, this is only, instead of U by U, U square by U square. It is in kinetic energy thickness. Again, by putting the values of U by U in terms of Y by delta, and this is square quantity. So here we can write 2 by 7, Y by delta raised to 2 by 7. By putting the limits, we can arrive to this expression. Energy thickness 7 by 40. Shape factor, as per the definition of shape factor, it is the ratio of displacement thickness to the momentum thickness. So we get the numeric value, that is 1.26. Energy loss per unit width due to boundary layers. So as per the definition of energy, it is 1/2 mass into velocity square. So mass we can write in terms of energy thickness, because this is, we have to calculate, this is loss of mass or mass loss, you can say. So this much energy is lost. So rho delta E into U. So by putting the values of delta E in terms of delta, because delta we know, that is 25, U know, that is 1.2, rho is also known to us, 1.2. So putting all the values, we can calculate energy loss per unit width. energy loss per unit weight for delta E into 1 due to boundary layer formation. So this much energy loss is there. Is energy per second is right. 8.859 Newton meter per second. So such kind of numericals can be asked. There is no much variety in this kind of problems. Only you have to memorize the expressions of displacement thickness, momentum thickness, and energy thickness. The variety means only the expression of U by U. In this case, what is given is Y by delta raised to 1 by 7. So only this expression will change. That means the integration part will change. Methodology remains same. Methodology is use the relevant expressions and integrate it and calculate. So this is the same methodology which can be used. That's it from this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to calculate various thicknesses, but the prerequisites that you must remember the expressions of all these thicknesses, means three thicknesses: displacement, momentum, and energy thicknesses. At the same time, you can calculate the energy losses, or in this case, it is energy losses. Maybe mass loss also you can calculate directly using the mass formula. If you know the derivation, if you understand the derivation part, it is not difficult that solving on various thicknesses. Velocity distribution is at the end of the session. Thank you very much.